Hello friends, myself Rajdeepak Singh. I just want to give a very short message and an information regarding that the result of reserve list of RRB office assistant and RRB officer scale 1 is going to be released in the late evening. So congratulations to all those candidates who are in the reserve list, and I am giving the best wishes that they can clear this reserve list for sure. They are going to get the provisional allotment today. Additionally, I just want to add one thing. Look, RRB जो है वो बेसिकली ये रिज़र्व लिस्ट को थोड़ा लेट क्या बोलते हैं पब्लिश करता है. रिज़र्व लिस्ट का जो रिज़ल्ट होता है उसको थोड़ा लेट पब्लिश करता है, लेकिन इस साल इन्होंने बहुत ही 4-5 महीने के गैप में ये रिज़र्व लिस्ट का रिज़ल्ट दे रहे हैं. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल वन थिंग दैट they want candidate right now. It means that the requirement is right now in the bank of both officer scale 1 and office assistant. So whoever are in the reserve list, again I am saying whoever right now in the reserve list of RRB office assistant and RRB officer scale 1 of 2021, having their name in the reserve list, they have a fair chance for this for getting the provisional allotment from the bank. Okay, because they are releasing the result within a tenure of 3 to 4 months or 4 to 5 months. So it means that there is a requirement. It means that maximum candidate have not gone to the document verification and all. Okay, so again I am giving the best wishes to the one whose name is in the both office assistant and officer scale 1 reserve list, and best wishes to you that you clear the reserve list. And based on the analysis I am saying that they have the requirement right now. That is the reason of releasing this result today itself in the late evening. So just wait for the result, and just best of luck to you. Thank you.